Hi everyone, you just installed your Miracle Box on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 machine and noticed that the start button is not working properly. Let us see how we can fix this. The first step is to disable your antivirus on your machine. Close the setup. Open the software location. Click on box data and search for a file called untol. This file. Just right click and delete it. Make sure you delete it also on the recycle bin. And try to rerun your software again. You can see that the error is already gone.